the girl at the front desk, she's very friendly. We got here around 1 o'clock and I was supposed to check in at 3, but she was trying to accommodate and get us in early. Gave her my contact information. She gave us the temporary key to access the infinity pool and the sky deck. We went up there about 20 minutes and they called us and we're about to go to our room. It's on the 50th floor. That's into our room.
50, 20?
Yep. And this is our room. The blind automatically opens when you get into the room, which is pretty cool. Wow. Wow.
Cái này khả năng lên hình xuống tới cái view.
Yeah. The room. This is a big TV. It's probably the biggest TV I've ever seen in a hotel room. I don't know. Maybe that's like 65-inch TV, maybe even 70. Who knows? Closet area. Slippers. Coffees are complimentary. Has a mini bar here. It's also complimentary with some of the. You got Coke. You got Sprite, orange juice, apple juice, water bottle. More water over there on that side. And there's the bathroom right here. There we go. There we go. This is the view of the room for the next few nights. Wow. Flower dome, garden by the bay. Man, it's beautiful.
Sao này em có sóng vậy?
Không có hả?
Không có. Wow, dao gì? Rung chân. Đi vô lại.
Rung chân.
Ê, sao em nói anh là nhìn toàn là kêu bắt toàn đâu có chơi đâu mà.
We're about to check out the infinity pool. Đâu gì?
Cái này ở Singapore đó. Cái này trên tầng
57.
57
Cao nhất.
cao nhất Singapore, có bồn tắm, cái thuyền á, ở trên YouTube hay có.
Hello. So sky deck's on the other side? Is sky deck's on the other side?
Sky deck, you have to walk all the way to Tower 3, sir.
Oh, okay.
Then you have to use elevator one level down.
Oh, one level down.
Because it's 56 floors, sir.
Oh, got it,
It's
got
at
it.
56.
Okay, thank you.
If you reach Tower 3, right, we got the staff wearing this uniform. You can ask them how
Oh,
to go.
got it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Nè, và mua, nếu mà mình mua đồ ăn đồ vậy á, mình đem nó đây nè. Ngồi đây nè, ban đêm á. Ban đêm ngồi đây ăn nè. Look at that. So we went exploring the surrounding areas near the Marina Bay Sands and ended up at La Paz Hawker Center. It's about a 10 to 15 minute walk from the Marina Bay Sands. If you watched the movie Crazy Rich Asian, it's one of the scenes in the movie or it was mentioned during a scene.
Món gì cũng mua ăn hết. Cái này quay cái nào?
Cái nào cũng được.
Có anh kìa, anh kêu lên bưng cái bàn anh thôi, bàn này anh ngồi không được. Để thì có.
Súp nữa nè, nhiều súp mà. This is La Pasa. We got one of the Alexa, and this is me Sam, kind of like a dry noodle type thing. So pretty cheap, $5 each Singaporean dollar. So. It's good.
Được cái giấy hả?
Còn nghe này trong này gọi dậy mình phải đi mua giấy.
Vậy hả?
Mình còn mua giấy không theo.
Để biết cầm giấy theo được.
Đa số mà chỗ này hẳn có giấy.
Ủa, thấy bây giờ có giấy rồi.
Nên là chụp xem mấy cái bộ dây á, mình vô mặc cái những 7-Eleven nó dây á, mình mua một bịch, mình đem theo vào chuẩn bị á. Được. How's that, honey? Good. Are you hot or is the soup hot?
Both.
Both? You hot too? You're very hot. Con cáo đây. Ngọt không? Vào cho mặt nè. Good.
Quá ngon.
How is it?
Feel it's good, but it's
Good.
not sweet, but it's
Not too sweet? Good.
try it.
Yeah, it's good.
Wow.
It's not too sweet. It looks like it's a lot of sweet, but it's not. There are many variety of food to choose from in this hawker center. We came across Vietnamese, Chinese, Thai, Indian, Korean, and several other ethnic foods. Prices were inexpensive and mainly accept cash. Also, make sure you bring napkins. Many of these food stations here does not provide napkins. Let's go back to the room. Looks like they dropped something off for us because this wasn't here when we left. So, I don't know what it is. Maybe a box of chocolate or something. Yep, it's a box of chocolate. They gave us a box of chocolate. Yeah, this wasn't here when we left. Wow. Alright. Thank you, Marina Bay Sands. I got the box too. It's nice. This one's empty? Mắc gì không?
Đã điên quá chứ chứ.
Mama, baby. Mama, tạm tạm rồi. Chú baby. Tạm tạm. Wow. Mia. Tạm.
Ồ, mà nó có hồ nước nữa mà thấy không? Mát đâu, lạnh cái gì nữa.
Đi pha thảo có cắn.
Lạnh chứ bông.
Wow, trống ha.
Để đi tắm đừng có đem theo điện thoại. Bơi rồi.
Đẹp thiệt á.
Đầu tiên coi trong kia tốt. Tèn tèn tèn.
Let's go. Around 8 or 9 in the evening, the Marina Bay Sands riverfront, there's a light show. We were enjoying the infinity booth so much that we didn't bother to go see it up close and decided to enjoy it from the top. If you've seen it up close, let us know in the comments if we missed out. We're ending the video here. Thanks for watching.